show, we're going to be counting down the top 5 greatest songs about Jamaica. You may be surprised to see the ones that actually make it and the ones that don't. So just sit back and watch the top 5 greatest songs about sweet, sweet, sweet Jamaica. Okay, at number 5 is a song that is currently a sample from one of the songs that's on the list. And it speaks of the birthplace and narrates the harsh realities of Jamaica. Check out Born and Grow by Busy Signal, which was released in 2005.
I want to be Jamaica. Testing, test, busy. Yeah. Jamaican, local and global. Yo. Busy. Jamaica wish part me born and grow. Things I get tough for me born and grow. Get a youth them a suffer for me born and grow. Times I get rough for me born and grow. Hey, Johnny where me born and grow. Man no take part where me born and grow. And here to top 10 where me born and grow. Man rock where me born and grow. Let me tell about where me born and grow. Can't make no loose speech where me born and grow. Pretty girls, pretty beach where me born and grow. Tourists want to reach where me born and grow. Some police are general where me born and grow. Some are real criminal where me born and grow. The system a kill me where we born and grow. Still me not live, think I living on a snow cast. I was born and raised, the months and days. In all the garrison, them no comparison and no hell race. I was born and raised, the months and days. In all the garrison, them no comparison and no hell race. Pull up here, me love it from me born and grow.
And making it at number 4 on the countdown is a song from Tony Rebel that was on the early King Jammy's 80s rhythm, Cherry Oh Baby, which was originally the title song performed by Eric Donaldson in the 1971 Jamaican Festival Song Competition. The rhythm came back into fashion again in the early 90s, and Tony Rebel put a spin on it to bring us Sweet Jamaica, a song that speaks about the loyalty to the land of wood and water. And that's why we love Sweet, Sweet, Sweet Jamaica. Now I left ya.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run with the money in your.
Coming in at number 3 on the countdown is a song that won the 1978 Jamaica Festival Song Competition. The song was performed by Eric Donaldson and it was called The Land of My Birth. Eric Donaldson won the Jamaican Festival Song Competition 5 times in 1971 through 1993. His winning 1978 entry, Land of My Birth, was from a string of hits like Cherry Oh Baby, which won him the 1971 competition. Even though he never got the attention from conscious roots reggae fans, his songs had an influence on the music of today. Making it on the countdown at number 2 is a song that had a great impact on Jamaica through a concert that had the same title of this next song. The song worked on unifying the JLP and PNP parties and helped to quench some of the violence that was brought about due to political indifference. Bob Marley took the stage and gave a performance that no one would ever forget. Coming in at number 2 is Smile Jamaica by Bob Marley and the Wailers.
Here now is a special item of news from the JBC newsroom. Entertainer and reggae star Bob Marley, Rita Marley, and the manager of the Wailers, Don Taylor, are now patients in the University Hospital after receiving gunshot wounds during a shooting incident which took place at Marley's home at 56 Hope Road tonight.
Come on and smile in Jamaica, y'all. Get it together, y'all. In Jamaica. Get it together now. In Jamaica, y'all. Soulful town, soulful people. Said I see you're having fun, dancing to the reggae rhythm.
Coming in at number 1 on the countdown is a song that we Jamaicans hear when JBC would sign off and would come back on every single day. When our athletes would win gold medals overseas, it would be played. Elephant Man did a rendition of this very song, and it's one of those few songs that make us proud to be Jamaicans whenever we hear it played. In 1962, this song was first played as a Jamaican flag was raised and the Union Jack was lowered. It was written by Hugh Sherlock and the music composed by Robert Lightbourne. This is the Jamaican National Anthem, Jamaica, Land We Love, the number 1 song on the countdown. Thank you for watching the top 5 greatest songs about Jamaica. I'm Makuta. Good night.